Hello everybody and welcome to week 1 of GS120L, and the introduction week is behind us. So what that basically means is this is the first week of class, the first lesson of class, and I wanted to kind of walk you through that a little bit. Most of what you're going to find in your explanations over here in the Lesson 1 folder is pretty self-explanatory. I did want to, just look at that with you real quickly here. And so this is what we have. We have the desired outcomes here, and kind of a schedule. So Lesson 1 schedule. You've got your peer discussion appointment due on Saturday, your speaking partner appointment due on Saturday, the response post from your introducing yourself last week is due. I know most of you have done your responses, that's very good, but it is officially due Wednesday. And then you're going to want to start your listening and speaking log, topic introduction and listening practice, discussion board. So there's the Lesson 1 discussion board. Your initial post is due on Wednesday for that. Study skills, reading and writing practice, scripture study, learn a hymn, gathering preparation. There are directions in here for a lot of these things. So if you're not sure how to do these things, then find the corresponding thing. So there's your your listening and speaking log directions and those sorts of things in there as well. Alright, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what's going on this week. So let's look at this folder here. This is the topic introduction and listening practice. This is the learning model and the honor code. Two very, very important components of this course, and very, very important for BYU Idaho. Pretty much everything that we do in this program is somehow going to relate to these two things. Now, as part of your learning, your language learning process, there are some vocabulary words and a definition next to them. These are vocabulary words that are taken from the honor code and or the BYU Idaho learning model. So again, something very, very helpful for your learning for this week, and something that will stick with you hopefully for a long time. I wanted to talk to you about the learning model just a little bit here. Of course, you can watch the learning model welcome video, which I strongly recommend that you do. There's also a website that is dedicated to the learning model and the 3-step process. Just a little outline here. The 3-step process of the BYU Idaho learning model is prepare, teach one another, and ponder and prove. Now, these things do build off of each other, so in order for us to be able to teach one another, we do have to be prepared. Being prepared is something that happens through inviting the Spirit, through being organized and being on task, through not procrastinating and not waiting until the last moment to begin assignments. Teaching one another, we do that in our discussion boards and in other ways as well in this course. When this says teach one another, this includes everybody being a teacher and everybody being a learner. That's kind of at the heart of what the BYU Idaho learning model is. And then of course, your ponder and prove, that's more the assignments and the things that you do to show that you are learning. So again, I just wanted to kind of bring that to your attention because it is very important. And there's some very important information and very helpful information about the honor code on this page as well. A good video to watch right here. and you know, the honor code is absolutely necessary for what we do. So just, you know, keep in mind there will be an open note quiz, which means you can use your printed lesson materials, personal notes, and scriptures to help you answer the questions. But, and this is the important part, okay? You may not use help from your classmates, family members, or any other source to complete the quiz. It may seem somewhat trivial, but this is kind of the beginning of your understanding of how the honor code works. So academic honesty, you know, we're giving you the opportunity to be honest in your dealings here. So you know, please keep that in mind as you do everything in this course and in this program and otherwise in life as well. These are all very good principles and precepts to be familiar with and to put into practice. So anyway, everybody, I hope you're enjoying the course so far, and I'm really glad that we're all here together, and I know that we will continue to learn and to grow and to become more familiar with how everything works here. And please let me know if you are having trouble with anything, technology, you know, accessing anything. I don't personally have the ability in the system to help you with technological matters. There are resources for that, but I would like for you to please keep me informed if you are having trouble so that I know what is going on with you, okay? Okay, my friends, that is all that I have for now. I hope you really enjoy and get a lot out of the materials that we have this week, and we'll be in touch. Thank you.